Hello everyone, it's Hanny. With a short video. I've been to the thrift store and I found all kinds of things, but I also find wonderful books which I will use for making junk journals, and from which I want to cut some pictures. This is a book about mammals in the world. I cut a few already, a few pictures, and I love them, those pictures. And well, there are lots more. I didn't cut them yet. I just demontaged the book, and there are all kinds of wonderful pictures in it, and I leave them this way because I can use the pages. Like so. It's still attached together. I can use the pages like so in my junk journals, so I leave them in one piece for now. So I want to use those. So this book, and I found, one moment, this book that's about flowers, and it's all little cards, you see? All kinds of little cards with, well, it's a pity that the description of that flower is on the back of this flower, because it's a book. So yeah, I'm only going to use these sides, of course, and well, I can't use them as cards. Yes, I can, as journaling cards or something like that. Well, I love these little flowers, so I'm going to use that one. This one too is from a very famous Dutch artist, Rien Poortvliet, and here it's Wil Huygen. I think Wil Huygen is a writer, and I have those two books, and I think I'm going to use them because I found them in the thrift store, and another one like so. So I have them twice now. I only had this one, and well, I now have them twice, so I think I'm going to demontage, or how do you call that, but one of each. And these are wonderful pictures of only €1. And they are wonderful, with little gnomes and butterflies and wonderful drawings in it. It's a wonderful book. Oh, these are wonderful books. They both are. So I think I'm going to use some pictures of these. I found this book, het prentenboek van Tante Pauw. These are all kinds of pictures of old books. You see? Wonderful pictures, old pictures. It's Dutch, of course. Oh, it has this smell. Love it. So I'm very glad with these books. They are so beautiful. Wonderful pictures in it. Love it. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So I have that one. I have a book that's called Fleur. And it has little drawn pictures in it. See? So I love that one too. I'm going to use that book. And I have a book, only €1. It's called Wild Flowers, Wilde Planten. Wild Flowers. And there are drawn pictures in it too. You see? Love it. So I'm very happy with my with my stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, €8. These wonderful books, and I have lots of more books. So I think I'm not able to use everything. So I'm going to make junk journals with it, and then sell maybe junk journals, or maybe I will make some packages, some parcels with all kinds of papers from these books, and I'll sell them in my Etsy store with all pictures. It's animals and flowers and the kabouters, gnomes, how do you call those little guys? Old books and flowers, yeah. I have lots more, so I was so excited about those books, so I think I wanted to share it with you. Just a short vlog. And I'm busy with a book one moment, and I'm already filming it, but I'm not ready with it, so that video will oh my gosh, it's heavy. That video will be on YouTube later, but that's a book to make, well, I'm making a book with vellum pockets to store all kinds of pictures in. So I'm busy with that book, and these I made with vellum. And then I discovered I don't have enough vellum and little pockets here. How I make this book I will show you in another video. So, but because I don't have enough vellum, I'm going to use some other stuff too, sewing up it on the pages, and then I have these pockets. So I'm busy with that. And here's another one. I think I was planning to bind these pages, these signatures, in this cover, an old cover from another book. I tore the pages out, but I'm not sure now if I do that or if I leave it, well, not this way, but just with a more simple cover from fabric or whatever to wrap it around. I'm not sure yet, but I want to make several pages so I can store lots of pictures I fussy cut and cards, and I showed you before I have these books too. Showed you a few times, I guess, but these are postage stamps books, and well, I'm storing all kinds of pictures, flowers in that, but these are a bit too big for these little pockets. Well, it's for postage stamps, so I think I'm going to do the big ones in another album and store the little ones in this album. So, well, that's it. I'm doing well lately. I didn't have pain for a week, so more than a week, for 10 days I think, yeah. And well, I'm very happy with that, but I've been to the hospital, and the pre-surgery screening I had, so everything is ready. Just the date will be well, I don't know the date yet. I think I will hear that very soon, I hope. And then surgery. And I hope I won't have pain until that day. So that's it for today. I'm going further with this book, and that's well, I will show you in another video how I do that. So thank you for watching. Bye.